How to unlink your Ubisoft account from PS4. Well, the Ubisoft provides a multitude of services to all the major gaming platforms, including cross-platform, chat with your friends, news, rewards, and more. You can easily grow up with your friends across platforms and enjoy the benefit of cross-progression, letting you switch seamlessly between gaming devices. But if you really want to unlink from PS4, then what you want to do is, first of all, head over to any of the web browser. And in the source bar, search for ubisoft.com. It will land you on the official page of Ubisoft. Once you are in the official page of Ubisoft, what you want to do is tap on sign in and then enter your login credential and sign into your account. Once you are signed in, it will land you on this interface. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Head over to account management. Inside account management, move into account information. Scroll down and the option of linked account will be visible to you. Swipe left. If you have connected your PS4, it will be visible in this section. So if the PS4 is linked, the option of unlink will also be visible to you. All you want to do is click on unlink and it will be unlinked successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can unlink your Ubisoft account from PS4. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.